Years of testing and client feedback have led us to our most ambitious project yet. Let me be the first to introduce you to our DR2000. We've improved upon the DR1000 in several ways. The newly designed lightweight carbon fiber casing offers a stunning aerodynamic body, further reducing drag. A weight reduction to a mere 800 grams now grants us a much more diverse drone portfolio. Less weight also grants the operator a longer flight time. Advancements in sensor technology allow for a much more stable and accurate reading, as well as electrochemical sensor health and an overall lifetime extension. The improved sample intake provides a continuous and smooth airflow for stable readings, dramatically diminishing pulsations from pumps. The DR2000 opens the door to the most diverse of air quality monitoring projects. We've revolutionized the future of sensor technology.